Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change email on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then go to Menu and select Settings and Privacy. From here, tap the Account Center and then go to Personal Details. And here you can find your contact information and just click on that. And here you can find your contact info, including your emails and your phone numbers. So to add a new email, click Add New Account, and then Add Email. And then input the email address that you want to add to your account. And then below that, choose the account where you want to change an email. As you can see here, it said that adding an email will replace your current email, and then that's it. If you want to delete your current email, like the one before the change, just click that email and select Delete Email. And then just confirm that you want to delete that email, and you will be prompted to input your password for security. And that's it. Your email on Instagram is now updated. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!